Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks for stopping by today. I have an unboxing of a Meyers Manx. This AMT kit number AMT 1320-12 125 scale kit. There's a little bit of sides. This kit was provided AMT by round 2. It has a Manx Power modified VW engine with twin carburetors, shortened VW chassis with roll over bar they call it, and Firestone all-terrain TC tires. Alright. This kit was given to me by a dear friend. He said go ahead and build this one any way you want it, so that's what I'll do eventually. But for now, we're going to do the unboxing. Pretty excited to see this one. I haven't seen an actual Meyers Manx in many, many years. Alright. Alright, off the top we have a bag of chrome parts. I'm going to go ahead and cut into that one. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Sun is shining pretty. Go out there and get yourself some vitamin D. Okay, we have 2 sets of wheels. There. And those are kind of sharp looking. I don't know what they would call those, but they're pretty neat looking. Let's see if I can get you a good close-up on that one. There's a good angle for you. And there's the other ones. And we have the engine. Those are part of the engine. I just can't remember what those are called. A lot of parts in here. I can't remember what they were called. It's been a while since I worked on a VW. Little valve covers right there. And here we have the steering wheel. Pretty fancy looking. I like that. Some gears for the fan belt. Pulleys. A few little miscellaneous parts. Shifter. Maybe a windshield wiper or a chrome brake pedal. I'm not sure which that is. License plate. Alrighty. I hope it's in there, but I don't see a body anywhere in there yet. Body of the vehicle, it is. And for tires, we have 6 tires. Some nice hardy looking like rear tires. Can you see the box? Yeah. Larger tires for the rear and smaller ones for the front. Or you can do all 4 of the same smaller one for the front. Or for all 4 wheels. They said these are Firestones. Yep. Very nice tread. It was very nice. And then these are Goodyear. Isn't that interesting? I can't make out what that one says. Okay. Oh, look at there. These are different from these two. So you get 2 of each of 3 different sets of, or pairs of tires. Okay. These say Goodyear. And these say Goodyear. Okay. Doesn't that say Firestone? Let me see here. Did I misread this one? Okay, there they are, guys. I'm sorry. These 2 big ones are Firestone. The rest of them are Goodyears. Alright. I thought I was seeing things there for a minute. And here we have some really cool orange clear glass, and then regular clear glass. That's pretty cool. A couple little pieces of tail light. As always, we'll just leave those in the bags, protect them. Here is a metal axle. And then, I guess this is the chassis part. Let me go ahead and cut this open. Yep. This looks like it's the front hood, which is there. No detail whatsoever on the bottom. Couple pieces here. Big old antenna right there. This looks like a rear seat backing and maybe a piece of the floor. Oh wow, here's some more tires. These are halves, so these make 2 tires, and they are Goodyears. Kind of cool looking. I don't know what you would use those for. Here is a brake and clutch pedal. Looks like the master cylinder. The front I-beam for where the front wheels would go. Here's the chassis, the main chassis of the vehicle. Bottom. Shock absorbers. Little fuel tank. I'm thinking this is the frame. There's a name for that piece, and I can't think of the little tunnel thing there. But that goes to the here. Becomes the actual chassis. And then steering column. Alright, that's it for that bag. This is a pretty neat kit. I'm looking forward to this build. Alright, and here's the main body. I was wondering where that was. Here's the main body. Pretty cool. If you're old enough, you remember this is very reminiscent to me. It reminds me of the old cartoon Speed Buggy. That's what that always reminds me of. Yep. Here's part of the dashboard, I believe. This side, right there. And this is part of the bottom, I believe, or it's a seat. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little in the dark on this particular kit, folks. Here's another part of a seat, the upholstery section. Some coolant. There's no coolant hoses. This is a Volkswagen powered vehicle. There's no coolant lines. So these are air lines or exhaust lines. Some parts for the roll over bar they called it. Here's the top. It came with a, what did they call it? They called that the Surrey top. So it would go like that, and this looks like another top, a different top. Yeah, that's different. This is the Surrey top, and this is like a convertible hardtop piece there. Let me grab the body for that one. Yeah, maybe that makes it a yeah. Look at that. That would go on there and make it like a hardtop dune buggy. That's pretty cool. Also, two seats are included. All right. Next, we have the decals. I'll go ahead and open those. Oh, nice looking set of decals here, folks. Here's Volkswagen custom parts. That's really cool. I like that. Some flames. Meyers Manx, Firestone, Krager. And here we go. Tater chip. Volkswagen. Some rough hood and stripes. Dune Dynamite. Meyers Manx. Very cool. Very cool decal sheet there. I like that. And last but not least, we have the instructions. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, isn't this cool? Look at this. A nice little bonus, guys. This is original art, Meyers Manx, and if you turn it over, basically you're getting a box art without the logo and all that stuff on it. That's pretty slick. First time seeing that kind of thing. Put that right back in there, and last but not least, here are the instructions. Basic engine parts put together. Fan shroud, that's what that part was called. Yeah. Here's some wheel options. Put your chassis together. And the chassis backbone, they called that one piece right here. I don't remember if that's what we call it, but that's what they call it. Make a street version with the optional top. Here's final assembly. This is a tonneau cover. That's what that piece was. I thought it was the back of a seat. The Surrey top right there. Dune buggy. Nice. With the antenna. Pretty cool. And this side gives you some really nice write-up on the actual Meyers Manx. It's coming to be. Very cool. Assembling the full-size one. They're telling you all about that. Very nice. Great information in this one. What a wonderful kit. Can't wait to build this one. Well, there you have it, folks. 125 scale, AMT, Meyers Manx. Have yourselves a great day. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed that one, and we will see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.